back panel metal gasket, rear panel silicon pad, mortise screws, panel screws, cylinder, battery, cylinder screws, mechanical key, rubber plugs, spring and spindle, metal tube, bamboo-shaped screw, USB cable, IC card. Adjust latch according to mortise diagram. Remove the clasp firstly, rotate the latch. Press the latch and you have changed the direction of latch. Screw the metal tube of front panel. Tighten it. Open the battery chamber of rear panel. Install silicon pad of rear panel. Install the mortise with screws. Install cylinder. Twist screws. Based on your door thickness, measure the cylinder and mark on 18 mm or 20 mm. Cut off the rest of rod. Pass bamboo-shaped screw through the metal gasket of rear panel. Make sure that length of screw cannot exceed the door edge. Cut off redundant part. Install front panel. Pass the cable through the door hole firstly. Install metal gasket of rear panel. Twist the bamboo-shaped screw slightly, not so tighten, we can make adjustment later. Adjust the front panel and metal gasket. Tighten the screws. Insert spindle, cylinder rod, and reverse lock rod into the holes. Insert spindle and reserve 25 into 30 inches. Mark it. Cut off the redundant part. Tailor the length of reverse lock rod and make sure it cannot exceed the door edge. Cut off the redundant part. Connect the front panel power cable to peephole cable. Insert spring. Tidy the cable and match the rear panel with front panel. Twist screws. Insert rubber plug. Test the smart lock. Install battery. Long press lock and unlock button for 5 seconds. Press punch key to confirm. Set factory default settings. 3D face unlock. Palm vein unlock is also optional. Fingerprint unlock. Password unlock. IC card unlock.